mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. So it's a macaroni.
Yes, it's a macaroni and America's most wanted. Very fast, within 5 minutes. I'll make it in the micro.
Within 5 minutes, go fast. So let's go.
I'll make this macaroni in a mug and do it in a microwave. Now this is half cup of macaroni, you can see, and exactly half cup of water. Okay? I'll micro this, and a pinch of salt is there. Don't put too much salt. And I'll micro it for 2 to 3 minutes. It'll be done. Then I'll show you the next step.
There we have it after our microwave. After 3 minutes of microwave.
A dash of milk, not too much. And cheese and pepper, not too much. And just mix it up a little.
We got mozzarella.
Yes.
So we added mozzarella. That's how it looks. Okay.
30 seconds. The cheese will melt and we mix up the whole thing.
Right. Yes, that's how it looks. So ready in 5 minutes. Less
Yes.
than 5 minutes actually. Enjoy your meal. Have a nice dinner today. Bye bye. Hey guys, we hope you liked today's recipe. Please subscribe. Let us know how you like the recipe and tell us what more you'd like to see. We're trying very hard to make a few of those dishes and share with you the ones which are easy to make, fast and very tasty. That's my nephew. Bye bye. Gotta play with him now.